Anna with You Made That, and today I'm going to make this little Valentine. There's a little heart on the inside. So it doesn't have a sentiment on the front, but these little notes can come out of the little envelopes. And here you can put I love you or miss you or whatever you want. These could also be glued in because sometimes when you open the card, they pop out. I kind of forced that one, but it's happened to me before, so thought I'd mention that. So here's how I made this card. I used dies from Stampin' Up, and these are retired, but I used dies from Stampin' Up. These smaller hearts, I think they were a Lawn Fawn heart, but this is the little, it looks like a piece of bread, and it's going to make what the little paper is inside the envelope, and then these make the envelopes. And there's lots of die sets out there that make little envelopes that you can fold. Here are my pieces to make the card. So there's my little piece of bread. I used a Stampin' Up paper, I think it was from last February, and they had these conversation hearts on one side and then these hearts on the other. And so when you die cut this out, you can decide, okay, I want the top of my envelope to show the conversation hearts, so that means these sides are going to fold in like this. Or you can do it the other way around and say, I want the top to look like that, so then I'm going to fold my conversation hearts in. I think the red is kind of stark though against the purple, so I don't really want a lot of the red to show. That's just me. So I'm going to fold in these sides and just need a little dot of glue using my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive. It dries quickly and I like that about it. Just a dot and folding it up. Now for the little note that goes inside, and these hearts were part of the die set, so these are made to go on top of the paper. Are you guys making Valentines for anybody this year? If so, comment below if you usually make Valentines or Galentines for your friends. I am making some Valentines this year because who doesn't need a little fun mail in the middle of February? Then these fold to make the little heart envelopes. And two of the bumps will be the tops of the heart. So I'm just looking at which colors I want to be the top of the heart. So I'm going to fold these two in so that those two show as the heart. You don't really need to put anything inside this little pocket, but I'm going to put this, which came with the die set, and this was a different die set, but it fits. I mean, it's close enough, so I'm just going to put that on top. Like that. And then it'll go inside. And I could glue dot that in, or glue it inside, or leave it loose. It might pop out. Could even put a little heart on the inside. Very versatile. Let's do this one. These two to make the heart. This glittery cardstock is Lawn Fawn. I really like their glitter cardstock. They have that pixie dust, which is white and very sparkly, and then they have these spring colors, and this is from their spring color pack. One of my faves. Okay, so we got our little envelopes done. We will set those to the side. And now for this. I have my side folding card base, and I use Nina 110-pound cardstock for that. This is Stampin' Up! Purple. And here are some strips from the same paper pack as these. Again, I think they were last February. It has little notes on the back, love and different languages and stuff, but I'm going to use the conversation hearts. So for the purple, I'm just going to put a little glue and center it, just eyeballing it. Set straight in the middle of my cardstock, always making sure it's folding on the right side. Then these are a little bit longer than my card base, so I'm not going to put glue at the bottom because I'm going to trim this bottom part off. Wow. Okay, got a little wiggle room. The glue dries clear, and that happens. There we go. Now I'll take my Fiskars scissors and trim any little longer bits. I'm not going to worry about that one. Little glue. As soon as I hit record, I just get all fiddly. What is going on? Okay. Now to put the envelopes on, I'm going to start with the biggest one in the middle. Now I could put these like that, maybe like that, but I'm gonna go straight down the middle. I'm gonna start with this guy. Again, just eyeballing it. This is a pretty simple card to make. Could mass produce this one. That fell out. Doesn't like to stay. Did I center that perfectly? No, I did not. Is that okay? Yes, it is. There we go. We tuck that in, and then for a little touch, let's put this purple heart on the inside. Could even put something on the envelope. And again, could glue dot those in so they stay. But this is the showstopper. That will have my little message on it. Hey, since I have some hearts to give it a little bit of sparkle, I'm just going to glue them around. Let's do this. One more is going to hang off the edge. And who wouldn't like getting something cute in the middle of February? They both fell out. Okay, and that's the Valentine. Please like, it would help me out if you like the video. Comment if you want to comment. Subscribe, that would help me too. And you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.